We will use the graphing tool to solve the systems of linear equations. This will come in handy if solutions are fractions. So let's bring out the calculator. The steps to solving a systems of linear equations with a calculator are: first, we have to make sure that we solve for y. Our equation has to be in y equals mx plus b. The reason for that is because when we go to the graphing tool, we do that by going to y equals. All the equations are written here as y equals. In y1, we're going to enter the first equation. In y2, we will enter the second equation. We will select graph. We might have to zoom out if we're unable to see where they meet. And then we press second, calculate, intersect, enter, and then we press enter 3 times to find the solution. I know there's a lot of enters that we have to press, but let's see how that goes. Let's start with the first one. Y is equal to negative 3 over 2x minus 7. So the negative, be very careful, is down here. This is not a negative, this is a minus. So this is negative 3 over 2x. So that would be negative 3 divided by 2, and then this is the key for the x. And then it's minus 7. So now I use this minus next to the 6. So minus 7. I check to make sure that I wrote my equation correctly, and then I press enter to move to y2, or you can use the arrows to move from y1 to y2. On the second equation, I have y equals x divided by 2 plus 1. So that is x divided by 2 plus 1. So if I've entered y1 and y2, now we need to press graph. Graph is over here. I press graph, and the calculator will graph both equations. Now the solution is this point where they intersect, where they meet. The way that we find that point is by doing second, calculate, intersect, enter, and then press enter 3 times. So let's see if we can figure that out. We do second, calculate is right here on the key for trace. Then we move to intersect, that's number 5, and press enter. Now, the reason why we have to press enter 3 times is the following. First, they're asking us, is this your first curve? They're asking us to verify that we wrote the first equation correctly, so we press enter. Then they ask, is this the second curve? They're asking us to verify that we entered the second equation correctly, so we press enter a second time. And then they want us to guess. And of course, we wanted to guess. We want the solution. So we press enter a 3rd time. And it gives us the point of intersection. This is the same answer as when we did this by hand. So the solution still -4, -1. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.